Welcome back to Chef Superchido. What was I doing? Just being dumb. Just for the video. I'm just playing. I was cutting off some bad leaves. Anyways, what are we making today? Guacamole. One of the guacamoles I use for all my dishes. I'm making a lot of videos that have guacamole, but I just don't want to add it on there just to keep making it over and over. So I decided I'm gonna make a video on it. So that way, this is your go-to. You make it enough times. You watch this video enough times, you'll know how to make it. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.
All right, we're gonna start by cutting 4 avocados. Then we're gonna chop up a little bunch of cilantro, finely diced. Same thing with the onions. We're gonna use 1/4 of an onion, small onion. Now we're gonna mash the avocados. Now that that's finally done, we're gonna add some sea salt or kosher, whatever you got. And this is the taste. So as you put some, put a little bit, taste it. If you feel it needs more, add a little more. Now we're gonna add 1 ounce of jalapeno juice. Mazzetta's jalapenos. Our onions, our cilantro, and 1 lemon or lime. Now we're gonna mix all that in there. Make it happen. And then pull out the chips, or however you're gonna use this. Delicious.
Yep, still playing stupid. No, I'm playing. Just, tidying up the yard, all the little plants, little dead things. But guacamole is made, but it's all gone. But that's all right, because you can watch this video over and over and make it as many times as you want and use it with anything you want. Chip and dip out. And that's what I'm about to do right now, is dip out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment. Again, please comment. Tell your friends, Superchido's coming for you. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.